Welcome to the Crazy Hat Chemist. So today we're doing another video on bonding. So let's get moving. Bam! Okay, we're going to determine the molecular geometry number 11, and we're going to determine the molecular geometry or shape of sulfur hexafluoride. So two non-metals together, that's the sulfur and the fluoride, the fluorine rather. Okay, and the hexa is for what number? Okay, it is for 6. So it's SF6. All right, now I'm going to refresh your memory because we have already drawn the Lewis dot structures. Number 11, which is sulfur hexafluoride, and there is the Lewis dot structure in the lower left-hand corner of your screen there. You should see that. That should be familiar to you. Okay, now this is, again, to get the molecular shape, we already need to know the following. So the A is the central element. That is the sulfur. That's why I have a single A all the time. And then the X are the outside elements that are surrounding that central element. So how many fluorines do you see? Well, it's actually right there in the formula of hexafluoride. So that would be 6. And how many lone pairs of electrons, those are the E's, how many lone pairs of electrons are on the central element? How many? 0. None. So that's why you get AX6. So the number of bonding domains are 6. The number of non-bonding domains on the central element are 0. So with AX6 or 6 bonding and 0 non-bonding, you should have a shape memorized based on either of those two, or possibly both if you're really good. Okay, and I'm going to show you the structure just so that you get a peek at it here before writing down the name, just in case. Okay, this is an awesome structure. Now, there are 6 domains around the central element. They are all equidistant away from each other. Hopefully you should be able to see that. And it doesn't matter which way I turn this, they all look pretty much the same. Now, the shape of this is the sides of, like, if this model were filled in completely. It's the number of sides. So, how many sides are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 sides on the top section. On the lower section, there are the same number of sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it's 4 plus 4, that's 8 sides or 8 faces to this shape. And so that's why it is called octahedral. So octahedral is this shape, okay? It's a square planar structure inside, and then there are 2 poles, and it is the faces of this. There are 8 faces to this. That's why it's octahedral, okay? If you didn't like the last hat, then, well, maybe you like this one because they're very similar. Of course, I am the king of chemistry. Give me a thumbs up if you like that video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and this one has more bling on it than the last one did. Have a great day. See you for more cool chemistry videos next time. Bye now.